Alright guys, out here on the pond today, doing a little kayak fishing. Just wanted it to be simple, and let's see if we can catch any. Today I'm using the Googan Squad Bandito bug, June bug color, because the water's really not really muddy, but it's kind of muddy today. And I'm probably just gonna use the old Texas rig today because it's still hot out here. And just try to flip it on some beds and stuff like that. Ooh, I just got hit right there, I think, maybe. I haven't kayak fished in a while, so it's gonna be tricky. But oh man, what a little guy. Oh, don't hit the paddle, don't hit the paddle. Look at that guy right there. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Oh God. Yeah, that's what you want to catch right there. That's a future 10-pounder right there. We haven't even been out here 5 minutes yet and already caught this little guy. Just getting back in the water. There you go, little dude. I think that's the fish I saw earlier today. I was out here earlier and I saw a little fish on a bed. Dang, he tore my Bandito bug up. He wasn't playing around. Well, that's a good sign. That's what you want to see. Even if it is a small fish, hey, got the monkey off our back. We're ready to go now. I think there's little beds up here. I'm gonna try to cast towards that. And I guess just like slow roll it. He bit it on the fall, I think. Ooh. I thought something was hitting it, but I wasn't sure. I don't know if y'all could see that on camera or not. I need to get a new rod soon. I don't know if y'all can see, but like right here, this thing chipped. It still works, but it don't look good. Try throwing it out here deeper. Let it sink down to the bottom a little bit. That's a good sign. First cast, get a bite. Thought I just had one swimming with it. Couldn't really tell. I'm glad we got one in the boat. Oh yeah, that's money. Ooh, something just hit it. Oh, I just had one. Right under the tree. Oh man, I think I'm too close now. Oh man, I need to back out. Try to be as quiet as I possibly can. I just had one. It hit like freak. Well, dang, that's a bummer. Well, now y'all can't see what I'm fishing at, so that's always good. I'm gonna turn this around. I definitely had a bite in there. It came off some sticks and then bit it right under this tree right here. Oh man, if I could just stop getting hung up, that'd be great. Get out of the tree. Get out. Get out of the tree. Oh man. Why? I can't ever look. There's that fish. Oh man. I just can't ever come to this spot without ruining it. It sucks. There's probably snakes over here too, which also sucks. And yeah, there's a bed right there. That's why they were biting. Oh, I ruined that spot. For now anyways, we might come back later. Now to the spot I was actually trying to get to. But I'm gonna cast right here real quick, just see if anything's up against this bank. And I probably scared that off if there was anything over there. And I'm gonna try where I thought would be some nice bass at. Oh yeah. Oh, he just had it. He dropped it. Oh man, that might have been a... Ooh, what is this? Oh. There's something in these sticks right here. Oh man, I'm gonna get hung up. If I do catch a fish here though, he's gonna be a nice one. I ain't gonna catch a fish now. God, dog. I get hung on every single thing over here. Probably some good sized snakes in there too. Nice sized log right here. I just know there's fish over here and I literally just ruined it. I ruined the spot. But that's alright. We haven't messed up all the spots yet. So we're just gonna keep doing our thing and keep fishing. That felt like one. And it sure did. That definitely felt like one. There's got to be one against this grass right here. Got to be. There he is. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he hit it. Does he have it? Is he running with it? Yeah, got him. Got him. He was running with it. Oh, stay down. Oh, I think he got off. I think he got off, I think. Oh my God. Oh, that was a nice one. Look, he tore that thing up. God, he was, oh man. Oh, guys. I had him. I was like, I had him and he dropped it. And then I was like, hold up, I think he's running with it. And sure enough, he was running with it. And then I lost him. Right against that grass, like I said, there's gotta be a fish right here. And sure enough, there was. We're gonna try to throw it back up in there. See if we can catch him this time. It's gonna be hard, but it's a grind. You gotta do what you gotta do. I knew this spot would produce, and I just lost a nice one. Oh man, get out of that. Oh yeah, he's got to be up here. Please hit it again. Please. Oh, there's one. Is that one? No, it's got to be a log. Get off that log. There, it's off. Come on. That's a log too. Get off that. Oh, he hit it again. Or one hit it again. Right in front of the boat. I need to quietly. Alright guys, so I wasn't recording as usual, but I just had one get stuck on a stick. I think it got stuck on a stick, and I popped it real quick, and next thing I know, my line's running, so I have fish on. So my GoPro's about to die, but I decided I would turn it back on because I just had a fish get off. Because I didn't know I had a fish, first of all. I thought it was hung. Oh, there he is again. Oh, shoot. Maybe that wasn't him. But I am still using this watermelon red worm. And they are hitting it. So we're going to try to get one more before it gets dark and starts thundering or something. Because these clouds are getting really dark really quick. And that was definitely a stick. Ooh, there he is. He's biting it. Biting it. Biting it. Come on. Got him. Got him. This might be the one I just had. Ooh, don't get in them sticks, boy. Ooh, he's a nice little color to him. He's trying to swim now. Look at him. Come here, Jumbo. Yes, sir. My rod just got all up in the water there. Yeah. Nice little fight there. Hooked him right in the bottom lip. Oh, God. My rod's all messed up here. I'm about to hook myself. Hooked him right in the tongue. He's a fat little fella. Look at that guy. He's a fat little joker. He's like a football. Let's get a weight on this little guy right here. Okay, little buddy. I'm gonna say about 2.5 maybe. What are we looking at? 2 pounds, 5 ounces. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. 2 pounds, 5 ounces. Nice catch of the day right there. Just a football of a fish. Really good colors. Fat fella. He's been eating good. Getting back in the water here. Thanks, buddy. Oh, he's ready. He was ready to go. He wasn't playing around.